Hi everyone, my name is Tong Kah Jie. I will giving a speech that talking about data modeling and business rule. Data modeling is the process of creating a data model for the data to be stored in the database. Interactive and progressive process of creating a specific data model for a determined problem domain. Data modeling helps in the visual representation of data and enforce business rules. Importance of data models. The first are the communication tool and give an overall view of the database. Third is organize data for various users. The last are an abstractions for the creation of good database. Business rule. A business rule is the statement that imposes some form of constraint on a specific aspect of the database, such as the element within a field's specifications for a particular field and the characteristics of a given relationship. The function of business rule is enable defining the basic building block, describe main and distinguishing characteristics of the data, brief, precise, and ambiguous declaration of a policy, procedure, or principle.
Hi everyone, my name is Yeap Hao Wei. I would like to talk about type of model. The first one is hierarchical model. A hierarchical model is a model in which lower levels are sorted under a hierarchy or successively higher level unit. Data is grouped into clusters at one or more levels, and the influence of the cluster on the data point contained in them is taken account in any statistical analysis. The second one is network model. A network model is a database model that is designed as a flexible approach to representing objects and their relationship. A unique feature of the network model is its schema, which is built as a graph where relationship types are up and object types are not.
Hello everyone, my name is Yap Man Kang. I will like to introduce to you all about ELD, Entity Relationship Diagram. Entity is high-level computer data model diagram. It is based on the notion of real-world entity and the relationship between them. ELD included the entity, attribute, relationship, and constraint. First, what is entity? A real-world thing, either living or non-living, that is actually recognizable and not recognizable. It is anything in the enterprise that is to be represented in our database. It may be a physical thing or simply a fact about the enterprise or an event that happened in the real world. And the next, relationship. Relationship is nothing but an association among two or more entities. And the next, attribute. It is a single warrior property or either an entity type or the relationship type. There are few types of attribute such as simple attribute, composite attribute, derived attribute, and multi-value attribute. Last, constraint. You can model a number of constraints in your ER diagram, including primary key, foreign key, multiplicity, and others. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Soh Jian Ping. Today I'm going to explain about relationship. First is one-to-many relationship. In a relational database, a one-to-many relationship exists when one row in table A may be linked with many rows in table B, but one row in table B is linked to only one row in table A. It is important to note that a one-to-many relationship is not a property of the data, but rather of the relationship itself. For an example, a customer can make many payments, but a payment only can pay by a customer. And a professor can teach many classes, but each class only teach by that professor. And next is many-to-many relationship. In a relational database management system, such relationships are implemented by means of an associative table. For example, one student can enroll many classes, and one class can enroll by many students too. An employee can learn many skills, and a skill also can learn by many employees. And the last one is one-to-one relationship. In a relational database, a one-to-one relationship exists when one row in a table may be linked with only one row in another table, and vice versa. It is important to note that a one-to-one relationship is not a property of the data, but rather of the relationship itself. For an example, an employee can manage one store, and each store only managed by only that employee. And a professor can chair in a faculty, but each faculty only chaired by that professor. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chris Wong. I'm going to show you a simple business rule from a company. The company is an online art gallery. So here is the business rule. We need to draw an ER diagram from this business rule. Step 1. We need to initialize the attributes by finding the nouns. So you can see the highlighted word customer, artworks, category, artist, license, and gallery are the nouns. Okay, step 2. We need to initialize the relationship between attributes by finding the keyword. So here is the highlighted word. May like many, liked by many, have many, create many, created by one, and so on. These are the keywords. So step 3, we can start to draw the ER diagram. So this is the ER diagram.
Hello everyone, my name is Alvin Cheng. So I want to show you how to resolve the many-to-many relationship. From the example, customer and artwork is attribute many-to-many. So if by flipping into two one-to-many relationship. From the business rules, a customer may like many artwork, and artwork can be liked by many customers, and artwork have many categories. So we need to add a new attribute, which is category. Between the customer and artwork, this is the final diagram.